All right, everybody, back here with more life crap. So you got one of those garden whirly gig things. So ours broke. So this pitchfork end that goes down into the ground, and then this top part has to slide down, so it looks like that. So the problem is I couldn't find any exact replacements for this bar. So what I did was, where it broke, I just cut off a little piece. This piece called for 3/4 and it slid over there just perfect. So I slid the 3/4 here, 3/4 here. I got some of these hose clamps, tightened it down, and it is sturdy. It's gonna hold, so let's go put it up, and I'm gonna paint this all black. I'll repaint the whole thing, but for now, it's these two pieces. I just tapped them in with a sledge and clamped them. It's fixed. Alrighty, and of course I wait till August to fix this when the ground is at its absolute hardest, but there it is, it's in there. And now for the cherry on top. Of course there's no wind. Oh, I'll have to spray that one. But there it is. Sturdy. It's fixed. And then I'll paint it later. Yeah, hope that helps. These things aren't that cheap. I think this thing was $80 or something. Alrighty. See ya, folks.